Alrighty, so this right here is a remodel project I'm doing for another class. It's a Brother Allen's friend's house. Not completely done with the demolition, but I've done the entire existing plan through point cloud. But pretty much what I want to show you today, okay, so we're going to go to a 3D view of this house that I've designed. And yeah, I know the roof is for some reason planted in really weird in some of these areas, but just forget it. Um, but what I want to show you, okay, is how to do this wall. Okay, this is one member right here. Okay, but it's called a stacked wall, and I think it's something that's kind of under. It's not taught as much, I feel, in our classes, and I think it's something that really would help us just really make our projects look really good. Okay, so what we're gonna do, um, we're gonna go to a wall. Okay, we're gonna go to any wall. Um, and let's go to just click wall. Okay, and I'm gonna make a wall out here. So this is just a basic 4.5 inch partition wall. But what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go to, let's say, exterior wood siding on wood stud. Okay, so if we look at this, now we see our lap siding. Okay, cool. So how did I get my brick down here? And this is actually really supposed to be stone. But whenever I try to load it, some kind of detail over here, some kind of hatch pattern, it wouldn't load it. It said there was no hatch containing in that file, and it was completely dead wrong. So I said, screw it. Just, I know it's stone, I know it's veneered, but we'll just put some long brick on there, and we'll just put a typical detail mark on there detailing that it is in fact stone. Pretty much what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on that. Okay, we're gonna edit type. You're gonna come up here, okay, and you're able to choose different types of walls. If you want to change, you come right here, you go to stacked wall. Okay, so you click on stacked wall. I would definitely duplicate this, and I would rename it what you want it to be. So of course it's going to be shingle brick with wood stud. Okay, um, shingle brick with wood stud. Did we do lap siding? Okay, so go ahead, screw that for now. We're actually going to be doing at first a brick wall, and then we'll put lap siding on. Okay, and we can duplicate this, and let's go exterior shingle. I don't know what that is actually. Let's go take a look at it. So let's edit the structure. Looks like I have my, oh, okay. I never renamed it. So this is my stacked wall that I did with board and bat on top of veneer or the brick, whatever, right? So pretty much what you do when you have this new wall you're creating, you're going to change the name to what you want it to be, and then you're going to change its structure. What do you want it to be? So always on the bottom, if you want to have veneer on the bottom of the wall, it's going to be towards the bottom of the sheet. Okay, and anything up is going to be on the upper side. So if I wanted to have my veneer, okay, I keep it as veneer, and I can go how high I want it to go. So remember, this is like towards 0, okay, 0 feet. Now it's 3 foot. So I have a 3-foot band or a 3-foot wainscot of my veneer of wood on that wall. Okay, make sure I'm recording still. Now, since we want to do lap siding, I have board and bat on here. I've made a material, made a hatch pattern for it. Okay, what we're gonna have to do is that you can go to, say your, where is it? Which shingle wood stud? We're gonna look for that lap siding. Okay, wood siding on wood stud. Okay, and this is going to be variable, and what it means by variable, okay, and you can't change this, is that for the rest of the wall it's going to be wood siding. Okay, and the only way you can change this is by clicking here and inserting. Okay, and I guess I'm wrong. Maybe you just have to change this, and if you wanted to have, let's say, veneer wood siding and then board and bat, you'd have to do veneer, wood siding, board and bat, and board and bat would have to be the variable, and wood siding would have to be the height. Okay, so let's go ahead and delete that. And we can actually preview this. Okay, so it's going to show us what it looks like from a detail view or a section view. I mean, not really sure what that piece is right here. But this is our brick, of course. Here's our air gap. Okay, and of course we'd have some kind of drip edge right here. Okay, or I don't know, some kind of flashing. That way the water can get behind the brick. But here's your lap siding right here. Okay, and it goes all the way up. You see that this one's 3 foot, this one's variable, so it goes all the way up. Okay, so we push OK, and now that we have it done, okay, just unjoin that. I actually want to rename this. Okay, so let's just call it exterior. It's an exterior wall. I always like to put it right there. Lap siding. Lap siding with 3 foot brick wings. Okay, wings for wainscot. Okay, so there's our new name. Push apply. Okay, and now we have our brick and our lap siding. And of course, this is going to act like any other wall. Okay, you're going to have to join it to your roof, and it'll make a nice, good gable look, or it'll go up to your eaves and it'll look nice. So this is how you do it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and delete that wall. I hope you found this useful. I would definitely use this with your housing improvement. I'm going to be doing 3 layers. For mine, I'm going to have, I don't know, maybe about a 5 foot brick, maybe even smaller, maybe 4 foot brick, and then I'll have my lap siding. And then when it comes up to my gable ends, okay, where it kind of comes from my my eaves, if I draw a line across, then I'll have board and bat, and maybe I'll have some sun rays or a king post in there just to make it look good. But yeah, I hope you found this useful. Definitely use it for that project. I think it'll look nice. Hope you like my videos. Okay, talk to you later. Thank you.